So, Vandana, Auntyz Kitchen, unique name, right?
Thank you.
And I love that. I don't think your people would ever forget this name. Anyone who comes across Auntyz Kitchen, they will never forget this name of the restaurant.
I'm sure this has a story, and I will tell you that sometime.
All right. So, if in brief you want to share that.
So, I had an aunt of mine back in London who had a catering business for many years. It was called Auntyz Tiffin. And my husband wanted to take the franchisee and start that here. This was a couple of years ago. It somehow didn't work. But in August of 2024, when we got signs from the universe that we should start something of our own, it immediately clicked, and we thought of my aunt, but we just changed from Auntyz Tiffins to Auntyz Kitchen.
Wow. Okay, that's nice. Anytime Uncle's Kitchen is coming?
Well, I'm not going to say that because there's already one Uncle's Kitchen in town.
Oh, there is?
There
There is?
It's a restaurant from Mumbai, India.
Wow. All right. So here we move to the very first question of mine. What makes home style food so comforting, especially in a fast paced city life?
Home style food is almost something magical, especially when you're living in a high pressure, fast city like Dubai that never slows down.
True.
I believe that home style food carries flavors that are a tradition that travel along and are passed on from one generation to the next.
Absolutely.
And home style food is attached with a lot of emotions,
Yeah.
which the families try to keep it going. And home style food is hits completely differently when you live in a fast, high pressure city,
Right.
because home style food offers something that the city
Cannot.
which is emotional connection, familiarity, and a moment of slowing down. So, home style food is not just about the ingredients used to cook that food, it's about what that food represents and how it touches your life.
A lot of love as well. goes
Absolutely,
inside.
absolutely.
Next one. Auntie's Kitchen focuses on freshness and care. And how do you maintain consistency while scaling a cloud kitchen?
So our cloud kitchen, it all started from a tiny home, an apartment. But then slowly we moved to a professional kitchen, solely for the reason that our food was accepted, was getting popular, liked, and was in demand. So when we moved to our professional kitchen, the first thing on our mind was that we had to maintain the consistency, the taste, the quality every single time. So at Auntie's Kitchen, food is prepared fresh every single day, and we follow a certain amount of discipline, a certain ethics to ensure the freshness of the cooked food, so that it reaches our clients also fresh. And there are a couple of things that add to the consistency.
Okay.
Our spices are not store bought. We blend them ourselves.
Oh, wow.
We use portion controls. We use weighing scales every single day when the food is packed to ensure that every client is getting the right amount and the same and the correct amount of food every day. We also have standard recipe sheets that are to be followed every day when the food is cooked. We order our supplies from a supply chain. Basically, they are people who understand our requirements and our standard. And we maintain a weekly customer feedback sheet.
Okay.
And the most important is we are constantly reviewing and repairing any dishes if they are not getting popular feedback.
Wow.
So that's how we make sure that the consistency is constantly maintained at Auntie's Kitchen.
So healthy eating is often seen as boring, and I used to be that kind of a person until one fine day life kicked it. So how do you balance nutrition with taste in your meals?
Yes, absolutely. Healthy eating gets boring because most often people treat it like a check sheet
Yeah.
instead of a craft. So when you think of a healthy meal, the common phenomenon and the common way that healthy meals are prepared around town is less oil, less salt, very less spices. So the food really comes out pretty bland.
Yeah.
But as Auntie's Kitchen, we approach this the way a good cloud kitchen should.
Yeah.
So we do layering of flavors, textures, and balancing it with the right amount of spices required to make that food healthy. So if you
Lovely.
think about a healthy meal and you think, oh, it's going to be bland chicken from Auntie's Kitchen, is not going to be like that. It will not be cooked in oil or butter because it's healthy, but the flavor that our food has is unmissable.
I would love to taste it now.
Yes, please.
I have to try Auntie's Kitchen. I haven't yet, but मेरे list में है ये.
Sure, for sure.
How does Auntie's Kitchen ensure every meal feels personal, even when serving large catering orders?
So every large catering order that we prepare carries the same message that this meal is prepared for the guest individually and it's not prepared for the masses. We have a team that puts together the proportions of the spices and the ingredients that are to be used, because it varies when you're cooking for individuals and when you're cooking for a large gathering.
Right.
So we have a specialized team who does the proportioning of the ingredients, checks the freshness, checks the spices. And we even have, before dispatch, we have a separate tasting team that checks the taste, the quality, that freshness, to make sure it meets the client's expectations. So no matter whether we are catering for 20 people or 200, the message that our food carries has the same warmth and intention, that it is for you. And that message is given to every single person, even in a large crowd.
And I can see that on your face when you speak about Auntie's Kitchen. There's so much of dedication towards your
Yes,
company
absolutely.
that you have.
Yes,
And the amount of effort you're putting into it.
absolutely. It's a baby that we are nurturing, and as you might be knowing how much it takes to raise a
Yes,
baby.
yes.
So for us, this is a baby which we are trying to nurture with all of our heart and all of our dedication.
And I'm sure that's grow into multifolds. And I'm hoping that Auntie's Kitchen is one of the top restaurants. And hopefully there are many more chains out of it.
Amen.
Inshallah.
Amen. I
So
hope that comes
we
true.
manifest a lot on this couch.
Yes, absolutely.
And season 1 people have come to season 2 that it's done. Sometimes in season 3. So it's something I can tell that it works. So when 2 people manifest together, the chances it will
Yes,
happen.
absolutely. So we
Yes.
are manifesting today
Yes.
that Auntie's Kitchen is going to be one of the biggest cloud kitchens and catering companies in a very short span of time.
Inshallah. So maybe in season 4 or 5, we're hoping to have a conversation again.
Yes, absolutely. It will be my pleasure. My
Inshallah.
pleasure.
Thank you so much for coming. Lots of love. And
Thank you.
Hoping to meet you soon on this couch
Yes,
again.
and I'm hoping that you're going to taste our food someday soon.
I have to.